Review. Okay, everyone. So I just went to Wendy's to have some dinner. Well, I went through the drive-thru, and there was a long line, but that's usually not a problem because at Wendy's, well, the Wendy's over closer to my house, so the line goes by like super fast. Oh, excuse me. But they gave me some free food, so I'm gonna be trying that out. So here we got. Take it out of the bag. So we're gonna do an Endy Boy food review on Wendy's chili. So this is the free food I got, and I actually like chili. Chili's really good. So let's take the lid off. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Hold on, I want to smell it. Oh, that smells delicious. Actually, I've never had the Wendy's chili before, but it looks really good. Just get the spoon, stir it around. I'm going to put some crackers in there too. I'm going to take a little taste of that crackers. I don't know how to describe the taste. It's good, but it's like kind of spicy. Hold on just a second. I'll be right back. So it's kind of like this kind of chili, if you've ever had it before. I don't know, I've had it before. It's pretty good, actually. Just a second. Okie dokie, I'm back. So let's put this back in the shot and pop in some crackers. First I'm going to try Wendy's cracker. Pretty good. Standard saltines. Add some crackers to the chili. I think this is what Wendy's used to be known for, like their chili. Alright, let's get a big spoonful and try some. I mean, it's okay. It's just not the kind of chili I prefer. I prefer more of like a wiener schnitzel type. I prefer a more wiener schnitzel type chili, but this is still pretty good, actually. I think I might actually kind of finish this off cam. So, anyway, those are my thoughts on the, Endy Boy food review on the Wendy's chili. So, I'd give it 7 beans out of 10 if you want a rating. So, 7 out of 10. Alright, see you guys next time, and happy holidays, or Merry Hanukkah, or whatever it's called. Alright, happy holidays, everybody.